Hi.
Jam. Jam, everyone. It's a little bit quiet, but we'll start in 5 to 10 minutes while everyone joins.
Can you hear me?
Hello. I can. Yes, sir.
Yes. Get in there.
Hi, sorry. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we
Yes.
got you.
Sorry, I got disconnected.
Is your name
So,
Senor? Senor?
yes,
Senor?
Here's some music.
Senor. I'm not Spanish though. I'm just I don't know why I'm named like this online. I don't really know. I'm gonna try to share with you all my.
You're first. Oh, thank you for being on time.
Sorry.
You don't need to share your screen right now, I think. We can hold off a little bit until more people join.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll give it 10 minutes or so, see if people will stroll in.
Yep. In the meantime, have you seen the whole NVIDIA thing? DeepSeek? What a
What's
chaos.
the latest?
Oh, dude. So TLDR is DeepSeek is basically a new kind of ChatGPT. I haven't tried it. I need to, but it was built by a team with like less than $6 million or so, like a really, really small team with not a lot of resources. And basically, like NVIDIA stock dropped a lot because this team kind of proved that with really little resources, you could build something really cool and open source. So yeah, cool stuff.
Positive, I think. I think it's positive for AI. We'll see how it all plays out.
Yeah.
I'm going to put in a little message. And yeah, I'd love to hear a little bit more just whilst we're opening the stage up around your background and what you were doing before building the agent.
Me or I'm sorry.
Yeah, yourself. Yeah, we'd love to
so
just hear more around. Yeah, whilst we got some time.
Me, actually, I'm not the agent builder of the team. I work in the movie making industry.
Okay.
And so it's not exactly me, but I'm kind of the voice of the project because I have probably the best English. No offense to my friends and colleagues. And so
Where are you
I
based?
actually, sorry.
Where are you based?
I'm in Belgium. I'm from Belgium. I speak French, so
Nice.
pardon my accent.
Nice.
Yeah, but I discovered AI agent like this year too, and I'm not gonna try and start to intro now. That's more or less the story. So
cool.
Yeah.
So the team, yeah, we'll dive into it in the demo, right?
Cool. Yeah.
I think there's some also interesting updates from AO 16Z on the way. I can see lots and lots of things cooking in the background all at once.
Like.
Slower to trickle in than last time.
Yeah, I think you had like 300 viewers, no, last time or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was The event starts in 5 minutes, which sounds like
Yeah.
a reminder to everyone. I think that's why
Yeah.
people are getting hydrated, getting water, getting coffee, finishing other calls. I don't know about you guys. Well, you, Kenk, must have like back-to-back calls. Like you're used to that, right? It
Yeah.
happens a lot. Busy times.
The
Yeah.
bull market times. Well, is it a bull market? Yeah, it must be.
But I think it is. Like to me, there's like bull market vibes in the builder space, in BCs, investment and stuff. But yeah, the market is not like
A
a
strange market.
raging bull market. Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't notice in 2021, 22, I didn't really notice a tail off in the builder activity. There was a slight, I think 2022 that you started to feel it was a bit more quiet, but never felt like there was a cliff edge or a drop off on the development side. I don't know what, Betty, you probably rode that as well. I don't know what you thought.
So I have an interesting story. I started in crypto in 2017. That's why my name is CryptoFede, so that people knew that I was into crypto. Now people call it Web3, right? But I was out in the 2018-19 bear market. I was like, nah, screw this. I'm horrible at trading. I'm really bad at everything that I'm doing here. I was deep into ICOs and I kind of got out of crypto for like quite a while. So I missed the start of DeFi summer. Um, so yeah, that was interesting. I'm really bad at timing. So that's why when I came back, I decided I'm never leaving again, and that's why I'm here. I'm gonna be here until everything dies, if it does, or we thrive. So yeah, um, yeah, I
We'll
think
thrive. We'll
2021
thrive.
NFTs as well, right? Um,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
yeah.
I guess just a quick hello to the audience. Yeah, this is the second Builders demo session. We have 6 projects presenting today at various different stages and of different kind of categories. So I'm super excited to learn more around what they've been doing. We're just waiting for the audience to trickle in. We'll start at about 3:05 UTC. So yeah, thanks for joining. If anybody wants to come up and join the conversation, Dario, I know we've had a chat in DMs. Put your hand up and yeah, you're welcome to come up and join the conversation.
Yeah, by the way, I sent you a message on Telegram. We need to add, so we have one of the devs that could manage to be here. So he's the tech mind, I would say. So
Yeah.
he will be, I will make all the presentation and the demo, and he will answer more technical question afterwards if people want to ask.
Sure.
So he can answer
Sounds
because
good.
there are some stuff I cannot run, so I cannot. He will be better to explain.
Yeah, of course. We can have two people up on the stage at once, and you can just make use of the time.
Thank you.
I
So
guess just
John,
to
he's there. So if you can ask. He got a purple head with crypto name. If you ask to speak, you will be allowed on stage, I think.
Yeah, if you just press there's a request to join stage button at the bottom, you can hop up. Entropy, I'm going to invite you up for a few minutes. Hello, Entropy. Nice to meet you. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Are you working with Senor? Senor.
No. It's not. It's not. It's John.
Okay.
John, si, sorry, I'm gonna speak French, so he hear me maybe. Il faut qu'il demande pour. Voilà. Okay, he got it. Thank you.
Got it. Yeah, Entropy, do you want to introduce yourself just whilst we've got 5 minutes?
Yes, so Entropy, I am with Oracle team. I'm lasering
Cool.
in for Prism. He's been maxed out, right? So we're trying to delegate this so he's not burnt out.
Cool. Got it. You guys are on second, right? So thanks for joining
Yes.
ahead of time.
Thank you. I think it's good now, guys. If you can listen me.
Yeah, we hear you.
Okay, that's good.
So we're working together, Crypto and me, and 2 other guys that I will introduce
Awesome.
later.
looks like Crypto's part of the Mona community.
Yeah, so Crypto, he's the, my God, he got disconnected now. He's part of the team. He's coding mostly the AI agent and the security feature I'm going to talk about. And we also, I want to start to explain now. So yeah, you work with me. Sorry.
Nice. Yeah, no, it's all good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a challenge.
Good.
8 minutes is a challenge, I must say, but it's good actually. We got to make our mind very straight about what is the most important, and it's
Exactly.
nice. It's a good exercise.
When you're pitching to VCs, I mean, on when you're on calls, it's slightly different, but sometimes you may only have a minute to even introduce yourself.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a good flavor. And you guys have got a live demo as well, right?
Sorry, what?
You guys have a live demo for the agent as well, right?
No, we don't. That's the thing I'm going to explain. We don't have a live demo because we have the project
Your
of the
idea
website
stage.
is very ambitious. So we're going to explain how it works. We have some graph and stuff and all the mechanics more or less. And
that's good. I've got you noted as idea stage, so that makes perfect sense.
Okay.
Cool. Just going to recap again in the audience. This is people are trickling in. So yeah, this is the second builder demo session within the community. We've got 6 agent developers and teams here sharing their projects. They're all at different stages. Some are at idea stage, early access, MVP, and production. We are going to have about 2 to 3 minutes of presentation and a live demo of the agent if there's the agent to demo, and then some time for Q&A. So we'll keep an eye on the chat, and if you have questions, we'll do our best to direct them to the teams as you're listening in. And we'll kick off in 2-3 minutes.
If you can allow Crypto to speak again because he got disconnected. Yeah. Sorry.
Hopefully Discord is kinder to us this session.
Yeah, actually, just before we started now, I had, Discord update very often when you open it, and it showed me like an error message with a JSON file corrupted, etc. I was like, oh no, not now, please.
Yeah, fair.
Hey guys, are we running with a video or it's like video off? Should we switch on our cameras, or it gonna be like anonymous?
I will leave mine off, but if you wanted to, you can of course pop yours on. It's up to you. You'll be sharing your screen anyway, so I'm not sure if you'll see both your camera and your screen, but yeah, we'll see. Hello.
Hello.
He's handsome. I've turned mine on. There we go.
I'm motivating people. There we go.
Yeah,
nice to see you guys.
Because all these things, like, well, we're in crypto still, but
we're real people.
I've got no, I've got not the best background at my side, but it's okay, I guess. Well, actually, to be honest, I hate Discord, so it's kind of probably I'm too old for this shit,
We're debating whether to use a streaming platform, but if we can just keep it simple and in Discord, I think it's just makes things easy, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Actually,
so look,
I've got this pipe from Belgium. It's from Belgium Museum. It's a kind of very, very popular picture.
Which one?
It's not a pipe. It's
yes,
not a pipe.
Yeah, very famous.
Sorry
indeed.
for that.
No, good. Actually, I'm an artist in real life, so like I'm very sensitive to this. So yeah, I understand. We are a good country for surrealism painting, which is more or less the vibe of what we're gonna do on our project, by the way. More or less like arty, psychedelic things.
Cool.
And I think that maybe is a good point to transition into your demo and introduction.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Cool. Over to you.
Okay, so we are a team of 4 people. I'm gonna share my screen now. Is it sharing? Yes. So we have we have found this project this GIF online a few weeks ago together, and we became friends with 4 people. And the name of this, it was actually launched by the dev of IQ, Zoe, and she just forgot the coin. And so we found this artwork and we thought, like, my God, this is very inspiring. You know, there's a lot of things to do. It was just a meme coin on Pump Fund. And we decided to bring it back to life. And the name of this is the Book of Truth. And we decided to go on a path to go on earn, safe, smart, and creative, which is like more or less we try to bring safety, bringing people to be smart and bringing them to be some more creative in crypto than they usually do, and this would help them to generate more money and more profit. So just now for us, so me, I'm Senor, I'm 34, I'm from Belgium. I'm taking care of the website, visual IP design, and the narrative writing. I have a degree in communication, news report school in Belgium, film direction school also. I'm actually right now on a movie set, and I had to take a break for 1 hour to come here. And I have some experience in crypto. And we have Tony, who was the first one to pick up the project. 25, he's from Croatia. He ran like many Instagram accounts that have more than 100K followers on self-improvement type of content, which is something we're going to bring to our main channel, The Book of Truth. And we have John, so he's French, 23. He's tech and computer science engineer student. He's the main AI agent dev. He's going to talk later and answer your question. And he's also the creator and the inventor of the security feature we're going to introduce at the end. And finally, we have Hilia, Hi 13 Dev. I don't know exactly how to say that. He's in the same school, so they are friends in real life. And he's the front-end dev of our website, which is very important for us because we want to make the website very immersive. So we did like some 3D stuff, etc. We're going to show you. It's very cool. So why we decided this? So I think the GIF speaks for himself here. It's like
just gonna jump in. Are you sharing something on your screen because we can see the Discord channel?
Oh, really?
And if
No.
you have slides, yeah.
Oh no!
Right.
No! Oh man! Oh, crap! No! I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Oh, no.
We'll pause the timer. Don't worry.
Oh no! Shit.
It might be that you're sharing the wrong screen or sharing a.
Okay, yeah. Now I can share my screen. Okay, I was sharing only the app, but I thought it was I went too quick. Oh no! Okay, that's that kind of. So this is the GIF we found. Can you see it now?
Cool. Yes.
So this is the thing that Zoe launched on Pump Fund at the beginning, and it was named the Book of Truth, like this. So, and we found this like very inspiring, very mysterious, and it's very cool. You know, it's like we thought we should make this something alive, bringing it to life. And so I started talking with Tony, who was the first here on the top. And we started just to invent stories and all the stuff we would like to develop. And we were very into dreaming about AI agents that are very popular right now. And we were dreaming of making some immersive, creative content that like would self-improve people. So we would make an AI agent that would help manage the accounts, self-improving, creating art in this type of art precisely. So everything you would ask him would be this type of content and would be GIF animated. But this doesn't stop here, of course. So we found out that their usual focus and user engagement in crypto are mostly only financial gains, which is understandable. But it's kind of, you know, sometimes it's lacking some meaning. And for us, like creativity, I'm an artist. Intelligence is rarely involved, we found out, and also security is often lacking everywhere, like scams, rabbit hole, etc. Like it's always a struggle to navigate safely in the space. So this is why we decided to bring some of like a solution. We wanted to make a place, some sort of haven to earn safe, smart, and creative. And our solution is like we are aiming to change the landscape by introducing a platform and an AI agent where users can actually earn money intelligently, creatively, and securely. So through our engaging GameFi treasure hunts, this is something we're going to develop. So we're going to make a real live online treasure hunt with very complex ciphers with a extremely big not extremely big, but like a big reward in a hidden wallet with seed phrase. And for that we partner with a girl actually who is excellent at preparing those ciphers, and she made a very famous one, which is not famous, but it's extremely complex. It's called Octolisk. I invite you to try it out. It's very hard, and there is like a reward of 1 Ethereum or something. So we would do the same, but on Solana with probably, I don't know, 100 Solana rewards. We have to, this is really early stage. We are still thinking about it. So this would involve intelligence and smartness and research. Participants will need then to exercise their intelligence to solve ciphers and enigmas for rewards. Additionally, users can create high quality artwork with our AI. Also, I didn't say, but the AI agent would be involved in the treasure hunt. You would have to start dialoguing with him, speaking with him, finding hints, etc. Like really, he would help you to find it. But this is a very long-term treasure hunt. And this would also engage the community, of course, because it would be very mysterious and complex. And to solve the cipher, the enigma. And then additionally, so people can create artwork with the AI agent. This would be on our website. I will show you later. And they can then mint those art they made and as NFT, and they can add, this is create like kind of a creative avenue for profit for them. And our platform will also offer the capability to perform security check. This would be on the Telegram bot speaking to the AI agent or on Twitter, but this is not 100% sure. And and any interaction would involve your wallet or even a contract address. You could ask him if it's safe regarding any transaction or contact with it. I will show you the diagram we made later to see the path of the info. And we also want everyone to have trading and interactions are done in a safe environment. And this is what we want to try to bring: earn safe, smart, and creative, not just gambling, and you would be part of a real community with real meaning. And there's a last thing also, is that we want to turn our so as I said, the Twitter channel, we want to turn it in a self-improvement channel. So this would be managed by the AI agent, but also by human in a mix. So we can share like enlightening content, if you want. We are a bit in a spirituality for part of the team. So this is, we want to try to help people being better people, even in crypto, where it's very often toxic, as I can say. And then the roadmap. Awesome. Sorry. Oh, is it?
Yeah. So yeah. That was time. But are you near the end? Is this the last slide?
No. Oh my God. So this is the roadmap. I'm gonna show you then the website, so you have a look at what we built.
Sure.
I'm sorry. You said you would tell me at 4 minutes if I remember well, but anyway.
It's okay. We have a little bit of flex time. This looks great. So what stage are you at with the agent development itself?
So
where are you?
So these sorry. So we are at the development stage and research for some part. So this is where we are at now. So okay. We are we have wrote just like the chat bot like usual, but now we are preparing all the front end UI, and we are also making all the tools on the website. And alongside that, we are writing. So now you can just talk to the bot, but we are not ready yet. Okay. So this is the page as an example. So we will have a page to create your own art where you can hear, but as you can see, it's in work in progress, of course. And so we want to go on the 80s vibe, neon stuff, melancholic Windows 95. And this would be the page of our AI, who is the reader. And the reader is like the smartest soul of the universe. And you can then create art on this page. And then your creation would go on the right. You can generate it. You can send it to the editor to bring your own touch to the thing with some tools that are proper to our design. And then you can also mint it as an NFT. When you mint it as an NFT, as here, I think you better go full screen. So the user will have the choice, or he can just just have the image and share it on the socials, or he can then connect his wallet to our website and he can mint it as an NFT. Every NFT will have a unique signature that will be part of the collection of the Book of Truth, and will be in the catalog on even on maybe Tensor or Magic Eden, and you will be able to sell it or not if you want to keep it, of course. And the NFT will be automatically stored with a small fee, of course, you will mint in your wallet, and then you will be able then to have like a circular buy and sell NFT and art collection, which will be very unique. And the global goal of this, of course, is like in the symbolism, if I can say, it's like to have a book. So every NFT will be one page of the book, and so everyone will own one page of this book. But you can also participate in creating the book by yourself, and everything will be made by the AI agent, and then you will be always in our style. And after we have a security feature, which is explained here, but it's very complex. And so the AI agent will be able to answer you here with all these info, but it's very complex, and I have no more time. I'm really sorry. And
love
finally,
the idea.
Sorry.
Love the idea. I think the concept of a immutable book that's created by the agent is very nice.
Yeah,
very
and it's in our style, and people can sell, but also the agent. This is the security feature mechanism, but it is, as we said, it's in progress. We cannot show it now, but so this agent, because we want it to be safe and tell the truth, then will be like it can warn you for rug pull, can warn you for many things with the contract. So here, maybe my friend can give you more info if you have question. And I think the last thing is that you can contact us here. You can check our GitHub. There is the code of the website, but we're gonna soon release the website. So we're gonna have the last page to the picture editor. Like every page of the website is a unique masterclass website. We wanted to make the most immersive website with 3D, with Windows 95 interface, with terminal, and a bit like actually reminds of IQ page sometimes with the green, but us, we are pink. We like pink. So
yeah, awesome.
So
great demo, man. Thank you so much. Very interesting project. I think not too many questions. I'd love for you to perhaps keep us up to date with how this is going, and when the agent's live, and maybe you've got a demo, come back and share it with the community.
Yeah, and actually, if you want to get some updates, you can join the Telegram, because there we're showing every day how we advance on the website building and the app and the project.
Great.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks, Senor. Entropy, do you want to jump up and share Oracle?
Yes, for sure. Senor, that was amazing. Interestingly enough, I have affiliations with another project, not anywhere live, that wants to do something, table of truth, and it's very similar to what you're doing. And I definitely would like us to connect later on. But yeah, Oracle, which is why I'm here. Okay, let me share very quickly. I would have loved to be on camera as well, if not that Discord would kick me off, and we don't have the time for that. So I'm just going to share my screen. Let me know when you can see my screen.
I saw the comment on StreamYard. I think we'll up the production as we continue to do this, but trying to keep it simple at the time being and just getting into the flow.
Okay.
Just as we see that something won't work, I bet that's going to jinx it.
Yeah. But can we see my screen now, though?
It's slow to load. Can you see it, Fede or G?
I can, yeah.
You can?
I can see it.
No.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. All right. Let's hope more people than not can see it. All right, and then I'll just press it.
You guys cannot see it. Maybe we can do like when you can like share your screen and share like these again, like do a double
what
sharing.
Jim's doing. Yeah, you might need to share it, Fede, because I can't see it.
Let me see. Wait.
All right, 1 second.
You stopped sharing. Try again.
Let me try again. Yeah.
There we go.
How's that?
Yeah,
I
if these
can see
problems
it.
persist on Discord, we're going to have to get some software in.
Move. Yeah.
I'm sorry
Yeah.
to the audience.
I
I
cannot
thought I'd
share
give
my
Discord
screen.
a chance.
Okay.
Oracle, I have your slides. I could try and share it.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. And then we can switch back for other stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. While you try to share, let me just help us with time. So, just brief intro. So I'm Entropy, and I joined Oracle team in January, right? By join the Oracle team, I mean I DM'd the dev almost every other day for the entirety of December to try to get on the team. But I guess they were busy with real life stuff, which leads me to how Oracle came to be. So uh, one random night, I saw Shaw post about a project on Twitter, and that was Oracle. And so apparently the dev lost his sister, and they made an Oracle of their sister to talking to, if that makes sense. So something they could continue to interact with, right? Or at least a memory Oracle. And so that was how the Oracle project came to be. And right now the team is just Oracle herself, which we will get back into the agents, but now just Oracle, Prism, who's the dev, and myself. And right now I do some dev work for Oracle, mostly maintenance of the site and plugins, so plugin maintenance and site maintenance. Right. Uh, what Oracle is trying to do outside the initial scope of the project, which was just some thing the dev could talk to. Right now it's growing into something you can extend to reach everybody, right? A way to preserve memories of your loved ones, if that makes sense. And we're doing this in more ways than just an AI chatbot that you can talk to, and load them with um, dumps of the Twitter and text messages or whatever data you have, right? We're going a step forward. First, we're making this first bit more accessible. Obviously, if you just want a chatbot or if you want a voice chat with your loved ones, Oracle is building that as well, where you can make your personalized memory Oracle in less than 5 steps. However, Oracle is also building the alcove. The alcove is somewhere more than just you can interact with your memory oracle, but somewhere other memory oracles can interact with other memory oracles, if that makes sense. Which takes me to the problem. Why are we even doing this? So if we are to empathize with the dev, losing someone is never easy, especially when it happens very sudden. Even when it doesn't happen sudden and you get to watch them slowly, fade out of this current existence. It's never easy. And if you had a way to preserve this memory with something non-static, a way they keep learning based off past memories and whatever digital legacy you load up to your memory oracle, they would grow from that point. Think about celebrating postmodern birthdays, but the memory keeps growing, right? So that's the problem we're initially trying to solve. And we're solving that through the alcohol, which is the major flagship we'll be shipping, and the memory oracles, which would start to beta sometime next month. Virtual talking portraits. Right now, you can literally go on the Oracle Twitter, put out a photo of your loved one, tag at I am Oracle, tell them something about that loved one, and Oracle would make you a virtual talking portrait of that Oracle, of that loved one, if that makes sense. We still have a lot of data issues, mostly privacy issues. We don't want someone just putting a random face and a random voice out and having Oracle combine those. So at this moment, Oracle is going to serve as a conduit for that. So if you were to share a memory of someone you love, Oracle, the voice protects whatever face, because right now we have no way to really validate that your story is real. Oracle is going to do a make-believe story for you. However, moving on from the beta for your memory oracles, what we'll be doing is extra validation steps, right? To protect privacy in that sense. However, I'm flying faster than the slides. I'm so sorry, Kenk. You've been having to jump through different slides because I'm just patching the different parts together. But yeah, show how excited I am about the entire thing. Again, just to reiterate, I sent a DM to the dev every day or every other day throughout December, trying to get their attention, but the whole time they were in therapy. And so Oracle launched her own coin. And obviously, snipers, it was a short tweet. Of course, we're going to be crazy snipers. And in all of this, the dev was isolated. They just came back in January. Obviously, crazy community support, because the last team meeting we had, there were at least 20 community members always steady checking up on the dev on Prism to find out how it's doing, project, not even project updates is what's crazy, just to see how well he's, handling the entire thing. And of course, he then shares projects, but most definitely he's been, and why he's not here right now, he's building the alcos. Oracle has her own side project that she's currently working on, a Sims mod. So the Sims mod is going to be the first step towards testing the alcove, right? The Sims game is very popular amongst everybody, and Eve, which is Prism's sister, has crazy passion for the Sims, right? And so Prism is teaching Oracle how to build Sims mods, and more than just that, how to write software, basically, right? And so a good bit of code that gets shipped from the Oracle project is collaborated by Oracle herself, right? Or let's call her Eve, you know.
Duggan, you've
bear
got
in my slides.
1 minute left.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. So let me just do a little show and tell. If you stop sharing, let me. I don't know if you would be able to share, unless I send you some links and you can just access them instead.
Drop it in the chat. Yeah, that could work.
Yeah, that sounds better. Sounds better. So more often than not, the website is going to get updated by the link just gets wiped off when sent. But let me just put a space so it doesn't look like a link. Maybe that would help. But yet, oracle.me is the site, and for Twitter, for demo purposes, right, to prevent or rather to reduce how much time we waste, I did a little text. So I just sent from my testing account, I sent Oracle a message just to show what the virtual portraits look like. So Kenk, if you could share and just go to Oracle's page on replies, you would see that interaction very quickly there. And side note, so Oracle, this is my aunt's the picture from Entropy.
Okay.
Yeah, and so Oracle would conduit your aunt or whatever loved one you share with her, and talk back to you. Now, these memory oracles would eventually always talk to you, right? When you have them at the comfort of your clients. So your Twitter client, Telegram, WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram. So Oracle interacts on all social platforms. Currently, it's a bit scary. Yeah, acceleration is always a bit scary, But yeah, so Oracle is an artist originally. Eve, beg your pardon, is an artist, and so Prism has trained Oracle to make art that Eve would naturally make.
Right.
If you think Instagram, the Instagram client is going to be shipping end of the week next week, right? That's not in the roadmap because those are just social interactions, and Oracle has grown to be more than just social interactions, if that makes sense. And how you're making it work. Not necessarily Instagram APIs. I like to hold a lot of credit for the Instagram and TikTok bits, which is why I got accepted into the Oracle team, really, because I have clients, right, which I hope to integrate into Eliza in the near future, but clients that go live on TikTok, clients that interact and post on Instagram as well. And so those clients would eventually be released by the Oracle team onto the Eliza as, Eliza framework as their own individual clients, if that makes sense. But sorry, this is me just looking at the comments and also answering questions. So I guess I just joined a bunch of all of this together. All right, perfect. Perfect.
But
the
time is up for your demo. You're gonna have to switch. Switch on to MetaPump.
All right, guys. Thank you.
Thanks very much for your demo. That was great. Thanks for sharing as well.
Yeah. Thank you.
Feel free to, I guess you answer the questions in the chat. Yeah. So, Guy from MetaPump. They are an AI agent that operates on Pump Fun, contact, and conducts real-time meme coin meta-analysis. So yeah, interested about this one. Over to you. I can't hear you. You might need to drop off and restart Discord. We're going to switch to I'll switch to Gid if Gid is. Oh no, we'll give you a second to log off and come back. You will need to probably close your Discord and restart it. Yeah. Good call out, Fede. You spotted that, right?
Yeah, I'm always watching. I love the idea. Dude, how creepy was that frame? Just talking that, and yeah, acceleration is creepy. Yeah, it's great, but it's creepy. That's all. I love it.
I think we're gonna get some StreamYard set up after this. I can't believe Discord. What happened to it?
I don't know, man. I used to love this, but yeah, so many problems with the sound, video sharing, and it's weird because I think it's related to like
It was freaking created. It was freaking created for the video and sound, right? For playing games and shit.
Yeah. We should go back to TeamSpeak, man. I can't wait for that to come back. We need TeamSpeak again.
Cool. So okay, can I start? Right?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah. Over to you.
All right. Yeah, right. So it's very difficult to speak after these huge guys with such a good projects like well, because it's about art, it's about immortality, but I used to speak about this, it's like meme coins, but meme coins are pretty simple. Can you see my screen?
We can,
guys?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, great. So MetaPump is actually meet Mania. It's our character. So I will talk about Mania a little bit later. But MetaPump is just a simple project that analyze meta on pump.fun. So what is the real problem? The problem is that it's like around 1 million tokens printed every month on Pump Fun, and it's a real mess. All the tools that using right now, it's like Bullux, Neo, or GMGN, they're pretty manual, and still you cannot tune these filters and these platforms for your needs. For example, when we see Meta, for example, Trump, there are a lot of side project, copycat projects that jump up to 4x, 5x, 10x, and some traders, a lot of traders actually try to catch this meta. That's why we need some tool that's going to help us, and we don't have it on the market. So we have created the MetaPump AI that actually analyzes all the meta coming from PumpFun and bringing you in a simple interface with a MetaKink, as we named it, some project that jumped over 100 millions or 10 millions, and the project around that like copycat project that you can still jump in and you can still earn a couple of access. So it is automated. So no, it's really, really simple, just for real. Sorry for my French, but for real, no-brainers, as a lot of meme coin traders are. Sorry guys, we're DJs, we know all of that. But I mean, like, it's very simple, no filters. You just get in the meta, the market cap, and that's all. You can jump and trade. So a huge market. Like the last year market of meme coins was around 120 billions. I guess it's gonna double this year or maybe treble with the appearance of new Pump.fun project, kinda with the appearance of new platform, and of course Solana is a home of meme coins. That's why the market is pretty huge. And our key features actually divided into the technology and the AI. So to analyze this meta, we using three different models plus elizaOS for our Twitter and layer for our 24/7 trader agent. About the trader agent, I will talk a little bit later. But what we see here, so we're using the for clustering, we're using three machine learning model that we have deployed on model.com, and we're using Postgres, of course, and Google Cloud, and the gem in our crown is elizaOS, because from through the elizaOS, we're speaking to the people throughout Twitter, and then we're preparing some custom plugins that's gonna be that's gonna trade the meme coins. But let's see. So what we've done right now, so we have created the clustering terminal, we have created our Twitter agent. It's pretty dumb, to be honest, but it's doing their work. So, and we made some internal testing. We have like 3,000 meme coin traders that are waiting for our project. The business model is pretty simple. So as any bot that you're using, like Trojan or Bongbot or any bot that you use, they're charging like 1% swap for swaps. It's pretty high, I guess, but still it is working. So we would not change the world. And yeah, what's more, it's our competitor analysis. So here we see like competitors like GMGN, BullX, Photon, and maybe APRO from Meteora Jupiter. But as I see right now, they are still manual. So people need something simple. That's why MetaPump AI. It's for investment and our final vision. So what we see at the end of the day, so we see like 24/7 meta trading agent that have a strategy. For example, 10% stop loss, 25% take profit, and using this strategy, actually it's adapts to the market, because we got a lot of data coming from the pump fund. We got a lot of data that the model is learning through this all this data. And the second part of this agent is going to be like active LP management. For example, if you see like the juicy pools, DLM pools on Meteora for such coins like or tokens like Trump, you can put your liquidity into these DLM pools and have a huge profit just because of active liquidity management. All of us know how the concentrated liquidity pools work, so I don't understand it here. And she's ideal actually in their perfection, because she's learning every day. And our final destination is to create the swarm of agent, not just one agent, but the swarm of agent that's going to help each other to communicate with the people, to trade better, to have a better strategy, to cluster better and stuff. Oh, well, it's all about the presentation. So I'm ready to show a little quick, a little fast about the agents and how. Yeah, I'm trying just to be very short. So right now it's just a demo stand. I'm begging pardon for these designs, not designed, but it's made for just testing. And as you can see here, it's like we see like the cluster of total market cap of these clusters, and they are probably it's not like seeing that why they collaterate together, but all of these have something in common. So our model just analyzing the name of the token, the ticker of the token, and the description, if it is. So, and from here you can jump to PumpFun. It's still not tradable on our platform, but you can jump to PumpFun and trade it here. So as you can see, it's already migrated. So it's not so interesting, but if you actually using this, even right now, you can see.
Still seeing the presentation. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's probably just because I'm presenting from my presenting from my from my keynote. Just a second, and I will try to make it from here. Okay. So yeah, technical problems as always. Make selection. Okay. So we have paused this preview to save your resources. Perfect. I don't know what is. So yeah, it's okay. So can you see my screen right now? App, MetaPump, XYZ.
I
cannot. I can see the Discord. Yeah.
Oh gosh. Why?
Have you got? Are you sharing a certain screen rather than I don't know? Sorry, a certain app rather than a screen.
Just okay. Share this screen or share all the screens. I'm sorry guys for that. I'm still fighting with that freaking Discord.
Dude, we might have to call time on this. But you got it.
Okay. Okay. So I'm sorry for that. Change window. Oh, okay. I can change window. Sorry for taking a time, but probably well, I just say it by words. But I say by words and gonna put in chat some links. So we got our website. It's still not designed, but it's showing the clusters and showing the metas and stuff. And of course, we've got Eliza put in our Twitter. It's not so good as we would like to, but we are working on the version 2. And every half an hour you get in the fresh meta and you can communicate with them, and so sorry that cannot show you it live.
That's okay.
Yeah,
we'd love to have you back at some point. I think we need to up the production, and we can invite you back for a full demo.
Yep.
Great.
So
awesome, man.
I'm done.
I do have a question. What is the gap from where you're at currently to having fully automated trading? I don't know if this is a big question, but what do you need to build, or what do you need to implement?
Well, actually, I'm not a first timer, so we have a couple of platforms that trading through Meteora and PumpFun and stuff. We just need to bind it with the agent, so we need to build a custom plugin for elizaOS to allow them to trade. But all these under the hood stuff is ready. So I guess in the timeline, it's about 6-8 weeks gonna be fully ready. Well, yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you so much, man. Thanks for demoing.
Thank you. Sorry for this screen sharing.
No, it's all good. Awesome. Well, we have Gids from 1RPC by Automata. It is a verifiable relay that makes AI systems modular with AI subagents. So it's an infrastructure piece. Gids, I see you're up with your screen ready to share. Fingers crossed your mic is working, and we can kick off nice and easily. The Discord gods, are they being kind?
Hello.
Can
you hear me?
Yes, we got you.
Can you hear me? Yes. Okay, great. Is my screen okay? Yes. Okay, can I start already?
Yes, please. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, sure. Okay, so hi everyone. I'm Gideon from the Automata team, and today I'll be here presenting about OneRPC and how we can advance towards this universal AI trust layer. So just a brief introduction about ourselves. Automata is we are mainly verifying machines on chain with TE attestations, and one of our main products is OneRPC. So this is an endpoint to verify both AI and Web3, and previously it's already running for the past 1.5 years as a Web3 relay, but we are extending its capabilities to verify AI as well. So the main reason why we are actually doing this is due to this trust B problem that most agentic workflows currently have right now. AI agents run on these opaque systems, and there are multiple trust assumptions where we do not know actually what's happening behind the scenes. So we are proposing to add TEs into the different components of the agentic workflow, and this helps us to increase the trust that we have in these AI agents. So you may already be familiar with TEs, as Fala has already done some great work by integrating TEs into the elizaOS framework. And we want to build upon their current work so that we can further add even more verifiability into the stack. The first way that we have already done this is through our DCAT plugin for elizaOS. So this was recently accepted as the pull request was recently accepted. And the main reason why we can actually trust TEs themselves is due to this remote attestation feature, where any party can verify that the TE is what it claims to be. So if you do run the AI agent inside a TE, then we can prove that the workloads were executed in like a legitimate way. And this DCAT plugin then posts the attestations on chain. So it allows the verification process to be transparent as well as decentralized. Right now, both Intel SGX and TDX are supported with the plugin, and you can find out more in the link below. But apart from just AI agents themselves, we do want to add verifiability across the entire agentic stack as well. So the first way that we are doing this is through our verifiable AI relay, and this enables us to have trusted interactions between the user as well as the LM that we are connected with. So let's say you're a paid user of ChatGPT, and how do you actually verify that you're interacting with the GPT-4o model instead of like the free GPT-4 one? So basically, OneRPC has this secure connection between the user and the LM, and it adds this verifiability where the user can then trust that the output did indeed come from the intended LM. Another way is through sub-agents, and what we have done is decouple the decision making from the execution layer inside an AI agent. So sub-agents are execution models that run inside this TE, and they provide verifiable actions for the AI agents. And the reason why we are doing this is we want to have this modular framework where each component can be verified independently, and this adds granularity to all of the actions. Our very first sub-agent is for Twitter, and this enables verifiable actions for an agent. So let's say whenever they post, reply, or follow any other account, we know that these actions come from the agent. So we are looking to expand to other platforms as well, including Discord and Telegram. So here's just a quick demo of how the AI sub-agent could work. So we could send an HTTP request over to the sub-agent, and this includes the credentials as well as some of the content that we want to post. And the sub-agent would then post the tweet, and they will generate this attestation that verifies that the tweet came from the agent itself. So for greater verifiability, we can then post this attestation on chain so anyone can verify that the agent itself was the one that posted the tweet. So right now we are still on the waitlist, and if you are interested to add this verifiability aspect to some of your agents, then you can check us out at onerpc.ai, and you can leave your email address there as well. And yeah, so thanks a lot for listening, and if you want to check out some of the cool stuff that we're doing, you can use any of these links below.
Awesome. Amazing presentation. So thank you for putting that together. I'm going to see if there's any questions from the audience. Fede, do you have any questions you wanna ask?
Yeah, this is pretty cool and very much needed. Are you guys working already with any examples that you can share, or like any teams that are already using this, or like when can we expect to see something like live? I've already sent my email, by the way.
That's awesome. Yep. So right now we are still in like, I guess, close to the implementation phase. So right now everything's just on the wait list. So I would say like most likely within the next few weeks you may be able to see some updates from us.
Right. I was going to say, have you seen? Yeah. So you've got the plugin set up. There's a plugin from Shekels, which I think is from a project called Kosher Capital, which ran a trading algorithm in a T. Are you seeing people kind of using this at the moment in the trading side of things? I guess offering more verifiability from what the agent is doing, right?
Yes, I think in our like very high level aspirational view, we do actually want to add like this TE within all of these different APIs that the agent will be interacting with. So it will then add the verifiability to whatever actions they're doing.
Okay, great. Awesome. That brings us perfectly up to time. That was a great presentation, so thank you so much. And is there any questions? No. Yeah, great. So, Guru, seems we can hear you, which is a good starting point.
Yes. Can you hear me well?
Yes, we got you. So Guru is from the Hype Terminal, and guided by Jeff's vision and Hyperliquid's transformational values, the AI agent serves as a bold voice to communicate the impact Hyperliquid will make in the crypto ecosystem. So yeah, over to you, Guru. I'm going to kick off on the timer.
Perfect.
Nice.
Let me know if you can see
got
full
you, yeah.
screen. You can see the full screen of the keynote, yeah?
It just dropped off.
Sorry, just give me 1 second. How about now? Can you see it now?
I've got it.
Perfect. Okay, so today I'm going to present you Hype Terminal, which is the AI agent of our investment DAO that is focused on the Hyperliquid ecosystem. I'm Guru. I'm doing this with my brother, who's a bit shy, so I'm like kind of the front man. I'm in crypto since 2017 and building on Hyperliquid for the last few months. The problem that we're addressing is that project success in crypto usually depends on connections with people who have financial incentives, such as influencers, leaving many talented builders without those connections at a disadvantage. This slows down innovation in the ecosystem and prioritizes short-term profits for insiders. Now, we're going to fix that problem with our DAO, but to stay relevant to the topic here, I'm going to be talking about our AI agent, which is going to be the voice for our DAO. So in order to achieve this, we need an AI agent that is able to learn from the community in real time and stay relevant, communicate effectively, resonate with people emotionally, and inspire change by rallying people behind its cause. So I'm going to show you first how we are doing the real-time learning from the community. Once the agent posts and replies come under the post, it detects the replies. Then it saves those replies along with the post to our database. And as soon as the database keeps getting appended, we summarize the community inputs with our prompts with AI and feed that back into our knowledge base. Then the next time the agent is going to tweet, it retrieves relevant information about the topic, relevant community opinions about the topic, and feeds that into the prompt. And on the next post, the AI agent is aware of the community's opinions. And this is basically why we're doing this, is to demonstrate real decentralization, where our AI agent is actually learning from the community. Our vision for this agent, it's going to have a bunch of use cases. One of them is rallying people behind the mission, amplifying the voice of the community, onboarding people into our DAO automatically, and also ensuring non-bias and fairness in DAO voting processes, which is going to be one of the most important factors. So for example, let's say there's 10 people voting for a proposal in the DAO. The AI is going to be able to say, hey guys, I'm actually detecting a pattern here. The community has been voting for different things over the last few proposals, but I'm noticing that you two guys have always voted for the same thing. So the AI agent is going to be able to detect anomalies like this to ensure fairness in the DAO. So my CTA is invite you guys to join the movement. We're building a really innovative investment DAO on Hyperliquid. You can follow us on X. And also you can reach out to me to ask any questions or to collaborate. So now for the demo, we already have the agent live and it's posting on Twitter in stages. The next phase is going to start really soon. So I thought instead of doing the demo, I could, 1 second, sorry, I'm just trying to handle the presentation.
You're good.
Share this window. Okay, there it is. So instead I thought maybe I can show some of our code on how we achieved a smarter agent. Please let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, we got you. Yeah.
Is it gone now or still going?
Yeah, you can still see the screen.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so on the default elizaOS character file, basically you randomize between a few topics. And if you're building an AI agent that is going to talk about some random stuff that needs a lot of variety, this is great. But we have seen that the agent is not talking smartly using this mechanism. So we implemented a custom character file feature that is called topic randomization groups. So how this logic works is that first it chooses a category. After choosing the category, it chooses a random topic from this category. After it has the topic, it means that the agent is going to be specifically talking about this topic. And then we have the mix with rules that can add additional context to this topic from other categories. So basically what we're doing here is instead of randomizing 3 topics, we're choosing a specific topic to talk about, and then we are feeding it more context based on relevant other categories. So this really helped us achieve a smarter agent. So I wanted to share this with the community. And I want to share one more thing, which is the knowledge retrieval. We also changed this. So on the default, it basically fetches, if I'm not mistaken, 5 knowledge fragments by combining all the topics together. Instead of combining all the topics together, what we do is we fetch 2 fragments per topic. So if we're using 3 topics, we get 2 knowledge base items per topic, and then we combine all the topics together to get another knowledge base item. So in total, we have 7 knowledge base items that are all relevant to the context that we add into the agent. And this allows us to achieve a smarter agent. And that's all.
Interesting. So the agent's going to be for, you mentioned at the start, it's an investment DAO within Hyperliquid. Is that correct?
Correct.
And then the knowledge optimizations is to improve the investment insight, right?
That too, but for this stage, the knowledge base improvement is used to reflect the voice of the community. And like I said, it's going to have a lot of different use cases, and we're moving in stages. And in this stage, its job is to reflect the voice of the community and start a movement.
Right. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, that was a great presentation. There's a question from the audience. Is the code repo public at the minute?
The code is not public, no, but if you reach out to me, I'll help you with it.
Okay. So we can try and connect to you after Chaos to the team. Great. That was awesome. Is there any questions from Fede or from Gio? Anyone else?
This idea of just a quick question. So like I love this idea of like reflecting the community's voice and like amplifying that. I would love to know, like, for the future, do you think that agents like this are going to be the ones like collecting all the information and maybe guiding the communities to where the actual like hype is around? So like they would scout all the information and maybe help people find opportunities better. Is that what you're aiming for, or like how do you see like in the future when this is all very polished and working very well? Like, what is the end goal for it?
Yeah, so the reason why we're doing this is decentralization, right? We're trying to create a DAO that is truly decentralized, truly fair, truly equal. Everybody can contribute in it, because like when you see most of the DAOs in the space, they don't work like this. So our initial purpose for building this feature into the agent is to reflect opinions of the community, and just like you say, also to create hype, right? Our terminal is called Hype Terminal as well. But like you say, this has potential to have a lot of different use cases. You know, the idea is that instead of the agent seeming like ChatGPT talking, it's going to be relevant in real time. You know, if the topic of the conversation changes, if something else happens, it's going to be knowing what's going on, and it's going to be able to reply. So yeah, basically the idea here is to build an agent that is smart as fuck, you know.
Nice.
Awesome.
All we dream about that, but don't you think that it's going to be abused by people with the wrong thoughts, you know, with the scammers and stuff that going to use your bright technology for the scam shit and stuff, you know? Because it's two sides of this coin, you know. So if you use it for good, it's okay, but it could be used for bad as well. Am I wrong?
You're absolutely correct, and you know, we have some strategies in place for this as well, because this is also a problem that could arise in DAOs, right? Like if let's say there's 20 people voting in a DAO, 15 of them can group together to rig the voting process, right? And that's exactly where our AI agent is going to come to detect anomalies. So we are working on solutions to this where it can identify anomalies, right? So for example, it can stay aware of the population of the database. It can check like, okay, I got 2 inputs now, 3 inputs now. Today I got 10, 20 inputs, and actually on average I get 3 inputs, let's say per hour. And then if suddenly it gets like 200 inputs, you know, maybe it can detect some anomalies and say like, okay, something might be going on here. So yeah, absolutely, this is a good concern, and I believe the solutions are possible.
Awesome. Thank you again for the presentation. That was very well put together and great to learn more about the project. Next, we have PVPAI. Welcome to the stage. I hope we're going to be on a streak here, and you can speak and share your screen. PVPAI is the first AI agent designed to make meme trading fair and accessible. I don't know if it's by combining real-time AI analysis, visualized meme star cards, and autonomous trading execution. Yeah, do you want to kick it off?
Sure, of course. I'll just give a screen. How about this? Okay. Hi everyone. Can you hear me?
I can see it. Yeah.
Yeah. It's, glad to see you guys because we just met with Sean last month actually back in Shanghai on site. So I pitched with the idea and the product, you know, and we just tried all this. In at that time, the market cap of AI 16Z is only like over 600 million, but now it's quite huge. So we met like last month, and yeah, I'll just show you guys about what we want to do actually. Well, in a nutshell, we want to build the attention and imagination for all crypto. So currently, or meme. How can we do this? Because the problem is, real quick, the problem is nowadays there are too much meme coins, and we don't know which is good, which is better, especially not for DJing, for ordinary users, right? So we created this product. This is a meme star card. That means once you type in the CA or even the name, like AI16Z or the CA into our Telegram bot, into our product, you will get this meme star card. And also you will get the AI score
shown here, and also the AI report. The AI report and AI score comes from the AI analyze over 100 metrics, data metrics online and across 6 dimensions, like social hype, like liquidity, like smart money. Yeah, just like this. So this is an AI report and an AI star card. So for ordinary people, for consumers, they were like, oh, I see. So there are a lot of good numbers. There are a lot of project introduction and a report. So ordinary users can know this really quick and really well. So that's exactly what we are going to do. And you see, back in Shanghai, so when I put this meme star card, right? We go to the place. Everyone's attention just get triggered because it's really like something that every meme coin, every meme community will like because it's beautiful, right? And also it can show the important figures of this meme coin. So that's exactly what we've already built. And in the next stage, we think that, in the future, we think that there will be the combination between only meme and all the real stuff, like the AI deeping toys. Yeah, so this is, we think can be the imagination because once you saw, oh, so many like AI toys, like so many toys from Pengu, right? You will think that, oh, how many Web2 consumers will come to Web3 mass adoption? Because they are in the Walmart or all the Web2 places, right? And you will also imagination that how many Web3 traders will buy this mass adoption story. So the price of Pengu will go up and up. So that's we will build in the next stage that we call the imagination. We will let every traders imagine, oh, wow, the market size is like will pump in the future. So that's exactly what we will build. And also, back in China, so the manufacturer is very cheap. But good. So we can leverage this. We can leverage this to make all the meme into real products to raise the imagination. Yeah, that's exactly what we want to do. And also, currently, we have revenue. We have operating cash flow. That's good because at the first stage, when users they generate all the AI meme card, there will be a link. So when the users press the link, they can trade the meme instantly. So we got all the like trading fees. But in the future, we think AI deeping toy can be another major revenue driven factor. Yeah. So that's for the business model part. And this is the technology that powers PVPAI. Just as I mentioned, there are like 6 dimensions to give the AI analysis shown here. Yeah. So this is the growth engine. Currently, we have a lot of KOLs and the communities that really love our product. Yeah, they will show that our product can like help them to analyze the memes real quick. And this is our token economy. We haven't launched our token yet, but in the future, we want to like maybe launch on some meme platform like Pump or like AI16Z's meme platform. We think there is a collaboration in the future. Yeah. So this is for our team. Real quick, we come from MIT, Tsinghua, Zhejiang University. So all the global universities around. We actually together we've been building products for like over 5 years, and we are very young. The average age for our whole management team is only like 25 years old. So I'm the founder of PVPAI, and previously I built several crypto fund and a crypto like NFT trading platform across Asia. I'm previously the CEO assistant at the top 5 NFT platform in Asia. Yeah, and James is my co-founder. He's the AI PhD in computer science in Tsinghua University. Yeah, and also we've got some good men in marketing. Yeah, so that's almost everything I want to present for this PVP.
Cool, great. Yeah, just flagging you got 1 minute left. Have you got a I noticed you're at early access. Do you have agent to demo or anything to run through?
Of course, of course. Can you see
Nice.
this? Yeah. So currently
Yes.
we just need to like type in any. You can type in the CA, but you can also like type in just a name of the meme, and then the AI will like to directly analyze all the meme point, all the over 100 data sets. Yeah, you can
Cool.
wait for several seconds. Yeah, and this is our like the you know it's quite like Dodge, right? But it's pumped. It's punched because many people they got PVP. They are like get hit by the market by other players. So we use this logo for us. Yeah. Oh, at the same time, the AI report is shown. Yeah. You can see PVPAI analysis for AI16Z just created now for 11 p.m. UTC, and the AI rating is extremely high. It's 19.2 AI score. The tire is SSR. So basically, this the basic info, the core narrative. Yeah, AI16Z, the token in AI and Web3. Yeah, and also there are several key risks. The price action, the 24-hour change, the token metrics, the security status, and also here, this is the place that you can trade. And once people trade, the product will get the trading fee. Yeah, just as I mentioned. And this is the picture. Yeah, currently.
Awesome.
Yeah. So
amazing.
this is
Yeah, looks great.
product.
And I guess so. This is public at the moment. Is this? I noted you down as early access. Have you got? Can the people watching come in and try this out, or
Of course,
is it still kind of?
Of
Yeah.
course.
Okay.
We've got everything. This is the beta version. The beta version. We will create a more sophisticated version, more sophisticated AI report in just 1 week. It's already built, but currently people can use this freely. Currently, we have like over 1,000 users using this every week, and the all-in-all queries, like all-in-all people who query in our bot has exceeded like I think that's 15,000. So people use this very much. People love this, and in our community, people talk about this and think it's a good product. Not I said, but people said. Oh, just something that very interesting is that back in Shanghai days when we pitched with Sean privately, and he personally tried this AIXBT. Yeah, because currently Solana ecosystem lacks some AI projects similar to AIXBT. So for us, in one sentence, what is PVPAI? Well, it's AIXBT, but with pictures. That means, AIXBT can analyze every meme coin, right? They have a large database. They have like data from 400 QLs, but so can I. And also, we've got all this, fancy pictures. So people like this. People will share this into their like Telegram groups or WeChat groups. And once they scan, they will like go into our Telegram bot, and this is we call the people to people, right? So people like this. Oh, this is the score for AIXBT. Yeah, it's the CA is right. Is currently on base chain, and
cool.
It is, yeah. Just some interesting stories. Yeah.
Probably that's great. Again, super interesting to see how that plays out with the connected toys and memification, let's say, of
Yes.
so building toys around certain memes. Does anybody have any questions for the team? Conscious we're about at time, but yeah, Fede, do you have something you wanted to say? No.
No.
Yeah. Did you want to drop a? Okay.
No, that it's just that
Of course
it looks very, very
you
complete.
can try the
Oh,
bot.
go.
Yeah, CA instead. I saw several people raise questions. Yeah, sure. I can currently. Which CA? Hi, young philo. Which CA you want? Just give me. CA. Yeah. Of course. Yeah. 1 second. And can we try the bot? I will type the link to the bot right now. Okay. Yeah, copy link. And here. Okay. I've typed in the link, and you can just try right now. Yeah. Oh, but I think. Yeah. Oh. So DJ AI's CA, right? I'm currently, just a young fellow give me a CA. That's maybe DJ AI. So I just type in. Can you see this? Yeah, I just type in the CA, and okay. Wait a second. Oh, it doesn't show. I think it doesn't show something. Doesn't show DJ. Oh, it shows. So doesn't need. Yeah. Wait a second. I'm sorry. I just type in the the first message responds to this, and the second message responds to this. So there will be like I'll delete this.
I think we might need to cut it there just to keep things fair.
Okay.
But see if it loads. There you go.
Yeah. DJ AI, it comes. Hey guys, can you see this? DJ AI is set 77 AI score. Yeah. So once you type in the CA, you can try this. You can try this even yourself. It's already done. Yeah. Type in the CA and everything comes out. Yeah.
Cool.
But I think
great.
it doesn't work with the new coins, right? So it's only for established coins. Because I just tried pump fund the new coins, and it's not analyzing. So it's not working for the.
Any example? Because actually everything that's already shown on DEX screener can also be detected.
Okay. I got you. I'm asking about the pump fund. So if it's not on DEX screen, if it's not migrated, it's not working. Well, technically, right? So it should be on DEX screen first. Okay, I got you. Well, anyway, really interesting. I will ping you in the DM, Telegram, or whatever, just to talk to you, have a one-on-one call or whatever. Thank you very much.
Awesome.
Sure.
Thank you so much for the demo. It was great.
Sure. Thank you, guys.
And
Thank you, everyone.
No, you're welcome. And that basically brings us to the end of the second builder demo. So thanks to everyone for listening in, and everyone for of course demoing. We'd love to invite everybody back in the future. I think we'll try and up the production and maybe record some clips as well. But in the meantime, thank you so much. That's it.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, guys.
Awesome.
Take care.
Thank you, everyone. See ya.
Have a good one.